National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Caldwell County, southeastern Hays County, northeastern Guadalupe County, Bastrop County, Lee County, Fayette County, until 4:45
Dang.
Central Daylight Time, Sunday at 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across areas east of Interstate 35 from San Marcos to Elgin to Tanglewood. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are being observed. Up to 10 inches of rain have already fallen.
Whoa.
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
What?
Some locations that will experience flooding include San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Bastrop, Luling, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Lexington, Shelby, Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Staples, Fayetteville, Round Top, Fedor, Muldoon, and Tanglewood. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 6 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. This is Noah.
Okay, so what I was doing this time, I was playing Minecraft and I heard my WR100 go off, and then I hear my 12991, and then I hear my WR120, then my Sangean. My zone guard, the alert tone was off. So, but we got some eastern counties in this one this time. Some eastern counties like here, let me go see. Oops. There. Let me refresh the page. So, the ones I've never recorded for before, Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette counties. So, yeah, we got some eastern counties in this one. So, let me point out, Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette counties. So, this is Caldwell County. Shut up. 12991. I don't know where Bastrop County is. It's, actually I do know. Okay, so this is Caldwell County right here. That one right there. Okay, and it's trying to, it tricked me with the tropical storm warning because it doesn't include all of South Central Texas. This is Lee County right here. This is Fayette County, and this is Bastrop County. All three of those counties I've never recorded alerts for before. So, yeah, I didn't expect my radios to go off again. So, now, where's that piece of paper? Here it is. Alright, let me get my pencil. Shut up! Oh my gosh, every time!
Tonio.
Every time I get a frickin' alert, you always gotta keep beeping. My god. What is wrong with you? Well, that video ended. Oh, 1 viewer. Okay. Oh. I forgot I was live streaming on Instagram. Jeez. How long was I streaming for? I must have been streaming for like an hour. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot I was streaming on Instagram. But this is, that's beside the point. So I'm gonna write it down. And I'll get this uploaded later tonight. So yeah, flash flood warning. So yeah, that's pretty amazing. I'll see you guys later.